My husband has been getting on to me so long because his hair is really annoying him because it's just grown rapidly. So my mum gave me clippers, so I decided to bleach it up like I normally do. I'm not a hairdresser. I'm so sorry. Let's see your hair.
Yeah, hilarious, because you ain't got to walk around like this, have you?
Go around first. But it needs to be the same all the way around, Dad.
It needs more.
That's too low. That's too low. That is awful.
I'm doing it symmetrical, you dumb-wit.
Why? That is awful. That's so low. Oh my god. It's fucking annoying. Go and get a band.
You're
Yeah, you going home right now? We go pick him up. Make a drop, you leave right now.
So here we go. About to use the shot vac on Bo's head right here.
Here we go. The bottoms up. I feel it going. Give me a second to breathe. You don't want to get that shot back clogged up.
Oh my God!
Hey, you're scraping the fuck out of my fucking head.
Oh yeah. Oh, it's bleeding.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Cool. hey, you right on it, man. Like, yeah.
Oh.
Oh, wow. It's bleeding?
A little bit.
Damn.
Oh shit. Some spots ain't coming.
She messed up her hair. We tried scissors. It didn't work. So now we're going with this. Progress. Final result.
मतलब ती मना ना से इस बड़ी ये हो रहे हैं
I'm bored at home and really want a haircut, so I'm gonna do it myself. This is what happened. Oh no, what the hell happened? I look like the penguin from Surf's Up.
So, yeah, haircut's not done. Got kicked out of Great Clips because she was tying this little paper thing on, which they made me leave with, which, that's whatever. But she was tying it on, and she was like, is this too tight? And I was like, not tight enough. And that didn't go over as well as I thought it was. I thought she was going to get it, like a joke, but nope, here I am. I got to go to a different Great Clips somewhere.
Okay, so we're going to cut my hair today, and we have no experience in this. All we've got is a beard trimmer, you know, so...
You use one of these.
Have you got like a thing that we might have to start high and then go low?
Oh my god!
I don't know, I have no idea what I'm doing.
But what's the motion? Is it like, okay, is it like this, up? Or is it like up and down, up and down?
It's like...
Oh my god, I feel like I'm shit. Oh my god, no, look. Oh my god, there's patches.
What do you mean?
This quarantine, it has to stop, man. this corona, everything, all this has to stop, man. So my job made me get a haircut today. It made me have to be in work tomorrow with a fresh haircut, medium fade. So I go to the barbershop. There's no offense to girls, but I hate getting my haircut by girls. That's number one. Anyways, I tell her, let me get a medium fade. Oh, that's easy. That's easy. I'm like, all right, cool. And she get to chopping at my shit. She's gone. She has one clipper and a comb, that's it, and she's gone. Like, she don't care about nothing. Long story short, I asked for a medium fade. I came out with a box top. What the fuck is this? What is this?
Hey, super hero madriye. 10 ரூபாய் போட்டு கொடுப்பா.
About to get my fresh cut.
Okay, man. I'll let you handle what you're gonna do.
Oh!
Bald. Look at now. No way, no going back.
Everybody's posting like their glow up videos and they're all like, oh, I was so ugly, but you don't understand. I was like ugly. This is a picture of me in 3rd grade.
Wait. Remember, don't mess up. Go. But just a little bit, not a lot. Teaching my girl how to cut hair. A little bit, not too much. You can't go too much, okay? Like, you gotta flick it.
Let me do it.
Flick it. You don't, what do you mean fucking do it? You better not fuck it up.
This is the haircut prank. I finally convinced my friend to let me cut his hair, and I'm gonna mess it up. Are you finally ready to get your haircut? Oh.
Ready?